Hey guys, welcome to Jordan's Reviews and More. Now, I was looking at my mouth earlier and I saw two pieces of bone, or I thought they were bone, but they were dried up pieces of packing material or blood clot. We're going to open something really awesome today. A new screwdriver set. Because the other one I lost it, I know where it's gone. Open it this way, because obviously the other way is my mum's address. And I doubt you want to see my mum's address, because my mum's good looking, but she's already married, guys. So nice try there. Ooh, this looks lovely and niche. Alrighty. Opening a robot box. Oh yeah. Look at that box. It's beautiful. It smells like a toolbox too. From Temu. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we get. One. Whoa, here we go. We get screwdrivers here. And we get more screwdrivers. Here's an actual screwdriver set. So we get a big, massive screwdriver. Look at that. Massive. For big projects. Another big screwdriver. Real metal as well. Something to do with another thing. Oh my god, look at that. That's a massive screwdriver. And then they all get smaller as you go down in size. This is so cool, guys. I love it. So far. Where does that one go? No, it goes in like there. We go. It goes in like that. That one like that. That one obviously goes somewhere else. Huh. There's a girl on TikTok who's obviously been stalking Peter Pan. Yeah, I'm not joking about that. There's she's had a thing for Peter Pan. Big screwdrivers and little screwdrivers. They're all screwdrivers, guys. Where does that one go then? All of them screwdrivers. Even this one. which goes somewhere. I'm not sure where it goes. So let's use one of these screwdrivers. Jeez, I'm excited. What shall we use it on? Ha! We can use it on him. Yeah, I was going to get one brand new version of this, but obviously comes down to money, doesn't it? Screw that. Well, these work really well, actually. It's a big screwdriver, it worked pretty well. I'm impressed so far. Let me just one screw. Being a Temu screwdriver. Oh my god, it got stuck to the back. Yeah, but I took the batteries out because I wanted to leave them in good condition. It's an original buzz, so I want him in the best condition ever. You know why? Because I want him. You know he's not new. No, he's not new, but I definitely can get a new one day. Yeah, a girl in Disneyland who's got special needs. I do. Or autism. Stop Peter Pan. Shit. And that's just broken on him. Do this one up. Now it's on there properly, you just keep his helmet down like that, there you go. And put his hat back in. There we go. It's on nice tight now. Wings can't come out automatically as they used to. They're more a manual prop. And that is how it works. That one goes. Ah, it goes there. It goes like that. Ow. Can't put it in properly. Oh no. Oh yeah. It goes in there like that. Or does it? No, I didn't think so. No, I didn't feel like it. No, I don't know. Casa Benito, found a family friendship, something. Casa Benito. Wait, how come? Ah, Right. He obviously goes... No, he doesn't. He obviously goes in there. Where does he go then? There's a battery tester. There's batteries out. So where does he go? And again, he's a... Oh, bugger, he doesn't go there. Or should he? Yes, he's now in there. Oh, where is 30? Ah, no, he goes there. He definitely goes there. Where did he go then? Does he go in there? Right, he's definitely in there. Right, he's definitely in there. Now we close it up. And so we need to use it again. That is a pretty cool screwdriver set. I know one's a bit... Ah, I see. You gotta open it like that. And you can open it like that. I know one's a bit... How come is he... Why with a screwdriver? Well, these are all the small end. Where the hell does that one go then? Because it was... See if he works on buzz as well. Oh, very well. Oh, that was shit. And I've ruined the paint on it. Hey, just like that. There we go. The wing is really annoying me because I want the other one on eBay really works. This one doesn't. Gosh, this one's broke. And no, I didn't break it. Before you be in the comments saying, oh, you broke it. Shut up, I didn't. Right. Aha. So this must be the thing. Interesting, kind of. Makes sense. Pops in here. Like, oh no. This is too hard, you know. Aha, never do that. There we go, you just got to twist it so it slots in. So, how? Right slots. Twist. There we go. I twist him, and he goes in the right slot. So, where does he go? Twist him. Would he go in the right slot? Yes! Oh, a bit loose though. How come they're all loose? They can't be all loose, cause... No, they can't be all loose. There's got to be a certain way he can... Twist him. Maybe that bit goes in first. Yeah, he goes in first. And the other one... There we go. Now every screwdriver is on their own little home with their... There's a battery tester. Feels like one. Let me close it up, like simple. There we go. Screwdriver set. Ready for business. That can definitely go there. Or wherever it's wanted. There we go. From Temu. Open the screwdriver kit and see what batteries Halloween doll takes to be the screwdriver. No, it's the wrong one. Maybe this one. Loads of these things. This one. I'll find it probably where. Aha. Because we know it takes 4 AA batteries. So, I'm going to replace them because, oh sugar, I've got is very tempted to do that. That was wobbly normal. So lift up the cable. Right. Now we open the door up from the back. Here we go. Battery compartment is here. One screwdriver, as per usual. It's actually annoying, so I do wish I had my other ones with me, but I was stupid and lost them. Even look at one of the bigger ones, hang on. Favourite trusty one, I love this one because it's big and chunky. And it can do toys, which are big and chunky. Never change the battery. That's the problem. Never opened the last one. Oh god, I can't even get into it. Oh, shit. I keep wanting to. Aha. As I open it, she takes. Jesus Christ, am I batteries? I can see why. Temu. No, free. Definitely free. Oh god, now I've got to move to my battery box. Now I've got to get 3 batteries out. All these creep. Now just place these in. Now I put the back on. Easy to do, just remove. Put it down like that. And we do it up. That was easy. Now we do those dress back up, so this goes up, That goes up. Definitely this goes up. Now we put the cake down. Woo! No. Push her back to where she was. Turn her on. See how fast she is now. Ready? That's pretty quick. I mean quick. Wowzers, that screwdriver is big and amazing and sexy. I don't know why screwdriver is sexy, but it is. To an extent. And here it is up close. We'll see it up close. Here it is, here it is. Here's the big boy screwdriver. It is big, chunky, and massive. I love it. Came from Temu. And here are the batteries that the doll had originally. Demo ones. Yuck. And there we go, guys. That is how to put batteries in an Asda Halloween prop. I might bring these down again. Because, you know, guys. Aha! He goes in. Just twist him around, twist him around. Obviously he goes in there. You know it. I can tell. Oh, bugger, he doesn't. Nope, he does not. He does not want to do that. How come? I've twisted it, and and it's not working properly. He's being a little bit of a female doggy. I don't like women here like that. How the hell is he meant to go in there then? Twisted him. And twisted him. And twisted him. Right way up. He's meant to be. How the hell is he meant to go in there? Let me twist him around. He still won't go in there. He's being a pain in my ass. Like someone else who I know. Ah, maybe that one goes like that. Ha! He didn't go there. He barely fits in there. Oh, I can't put him anywhere. Where does he go? Where does he go? He definitely goes in like that. Right, there we go. He's in like that. And the other one. Oh, I can't put him anywhere. He's not being a good sport. Right, he goes there. He. Oh, fuck! Don't annoy me. He is meant to. Oh, why isn't it working properly? Where's he meant to go? He's meant to go there. He is meant to go. There I go. Ha! No, he's meant to go. Oh, that's pissing me off. He meant to go there because he's the smallest. And then he, or him, or I call him a name, is meant to go. Where is he meant to go? I think he is. Yes, he is. He's meant to go there. Wait 1 second. No, he's not. He's meant. He's meant to go there. Oh, God, this is annoying me. Oh, they're in the right place now. I can't put them anywhere. Things I do for YouTube. He's not in the right place completely. He's mentally fucked. He's mentally. Wait 1 second. So, where is he meant to go? So, he's there. He. Ooh. I don't know why he's wobbly though. Ooh. Ah, he holds him down. So, here we go. There we go, guys. That's how they work. And they fell out already. For God's sake, what is always happening? Where are they meant to go? With all these guys. From biggest to smallest. And tiniest. And a massive. Yes, yes. Right. So, he goes there. Right? And then he goes there. Then small bro comes along. He see if it's ow. Where does he fit? This is a piss take. Huh. He fits that. He definitely fits. Oh, wasn't working properly. Well, science was really good there. But where does he fit though? Because he can't just hang around. he goes there. Where does he go then? In there? How come he's so wobbly? It's not meant to be wobbly, and he's not going to be stiff. So I'm guessing he probably goes. There we go. And he probably goes. Like that? Is that it? That's definitely it. Come on, my hand must open. Nope. That's how this river family goes. There we go. How come he's so wobbly though? They're not wobbly. Huh. Ha. Wobbly annoys me. Don't like. Yeah, that's how you do it. You now close it up. And leave it. There you go, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more unboxings coming your way. Hate this phone. It keeps doing this shitty camera BS. I don't like it. So like the 18, I'm definitely need to look after that one.